Hi, this is Chris Good. I wanted to make a video to show you how to add a voiceover to existing PowerPoint presentations and then export them as movies so that other people can watch the presentation sort of as you're giving it with your voiceover. We're going to open an existing PowerPoint file here. I just have 4 slides, and what I'm going to do is click on the Slideshow tab. Now this is going to look slightly different if you have an earlier version of Microsoft Office. This is the latest version, which incidentally is available free to GSU faculty through the IS&T website. Click on Slideshow, and no matter what version, you should have this option to record slideshow, and that brings up a dialog menu here. Select what you want to record before you begin recording. I want, and these 2 are checked by default. We're going to leave them checked: slide and animation timings, narrations, and don't worry about the laser pointer right now. So we'll start recording, and it's going to record the audio input to your PC, whether that's like a laptop microphone or a headset, whatever you have connected. Okay, we have a dialog box that you won't see in the final movie that says recording, and with a slide advance and a pause and a close button as well. So this is the first slide. It has my contact information. We'll click the right arrow to advance. Alright, the next slide asks who has the best brain. We have some different mammalian brains on this slide. Advance. And of course that depends on what you need it for. Different animals need their brains to do different things. And we'll click the next button once more. And we'll close with the age-old question, which is better, dog versus cat? Now at this point you can advance to the next slide, or you can just press the X button to close. When you advance, there's no more slides, so it closes the recording screen. So the slideshow looks like it hasn't changed, but now you'll see we have this little speaker icon in the lower right-hand corner, which means there's a voiceover attached to each slide. And when we choose export from the file menu in the upper left-hand corner, we'll just click on export. Those voiceovers, when you click on create a video, will be integrated into a movie that you can then share with whomever you like. Okay, a couple of different options here. I'm going to leave the resolution alone. It defaults to large. I'm going to leave the use recorded timings and narrations option, which is the default, alone, because that's exactly what we want. When we press the create video button, it'll ask where we want to save it. I'm just going to stick this on the desktop. And it is exporting in the background right now. We'll minimize this window so that you can see we've created a media file here. And when the icon changes to preview icon, we'll know that that processing has finished. There we go. So we're done processing right now. I've got my YouTube page open now, so I'm going to click the upload dialog because this is how I want to share it with folks. And you can either drag this into the YouTube video or just click here so you can browse for the file that you need. I'm going to click the MP4 file, hit open, and it's going to start uploading. This is going pretty quickly. It's going to start processing. While it's doing that, I'm going to type in a little, a little description here. Alright. So when YouTube is done processing, it'll create a link for it. It'll be on your YouTube page, and we'll let that finish, and then we'll take a look at what the video looks like. Almost finished. Okay, and we're done. We'll click on the link. So viewers are going to hear the dialogue that you've recorded in that movie, and you can share this link with anyone you want to see it. I'm going to upload this movie to YouTube, which is probably how you're seeing it right now. Thanks, we'll see you next time.